The process of second fermentation is actually very simple. What we want to do is add some sugar-containing food so that the fermentation process continues. You can use things like slices of fruit, which is my choice. So I'm going to add some slices of apple, cut apple in it. You don't need too much, you just need a quarter apple in each jar. And after that, seal the jar. And this time, keep it in the refrigerator for 24 hours and it is ready to be consumed. After second fermentation, you'll notice that your kefir tastes less tart, has a thicker texture, and it has some fizziness to it. It is much more delicious and nutritious. One very nutritious way to enjoy your kefir is to have it in a shake. You can use superfoods like strawberries and blueberries, bananas. If possible, choose a banana that is not entirely yellow but still has some green in it. This way then the sugar content is lower and there are more resistant starches, making it even more healthy for you. Flax seeds are a great addition. Flax seeds are high in omega-3. I'm adding some chia seeds as well. And of course the kefir. This kefir has been double fermented. Just enough to make a cup. Add a few ice cubes. And then you can just blend everything together. And there you have a really nutritious breakfast that is full of vitamins. Enjoy!